Hello there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add texture to your photo. So it's quite simple. All you have to do is follow along. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. So let's go to the images. Let's go to the uploads and let's say I want to put texture in. Look at this. This image right here. So in order to add texture, all you have to do is go in this, tapping the image itself. And here at the top, you can see the edit option. And let's go all the way down. And yeah, you can either use filter or another way is go to the elements. And here type in texture. And yeah, there are many texture. Let's type in see all and let's go all the way. You can choose any of the texture you'd like. Alright, let me choose some that is free. Okay, maybe. Okay, I'm trying to find the right one. Okay, let's say this one. Okay, I mean, don't worry right now because this is the whole paper. It may like block the image for now, but don't worry, I have a solution for that. So simply tap in this texture and go to the transparency over here and way down. And it will show some texture, so let's adjust this to the photo over here, and it sounds good. Okay, it looks good. So this is the one. You can choose any of the texture you like according to your preference, obviously. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.